Fuck! This has got to stop happening to me.
هذه ماشي سوقنا وحني كقاوني الله 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 وحافوش حل قاوي هو
Hey, you! Stop it!
What's up, man? Get out of my way.
Michael, calm
استغفر
down.
الله ردينا كقرصدا واحد حواله
Nothing happened. It was a
She
misunderstanding.
fucked a prick in my bed.
You bullshitting.
It wasn't like that.
You in?
Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this motherfucker.
Just don't kill him!
gabadhu qashqashaadan falaya gabadhiisii oo kan maxaan ku xisannaa ka yimi
What happened?
Guy bounced my wife is what happened.
Which guy?
The guy up
Okay,
there to
daddy.
teach her tennis.
oo halkaa yaalla
Tennis coach.
kaasaa dheeraynay ma ka degnaa
Fucked up, man.
ma noqon sale kuwa naga dheeraynayna waka gaadhigiisa waka
Little pricks up there, look.
Oh, shit. Coach doing all right for himself.
waa ka halkaas saro karsan waxaa xilga qaawani foosh xumi fuliyo soo deg
Settle our debts.
Michael, what? You got the wrong idea, man.
anaa ku aqaanis
World owes him a
haddaana
living.
kule rididee
Let's see what happens.
waan la ridinaa oo gurigeesu
Oh, shit. You see this shit, dog? Man, fucking drop it.
gurigii waa lasoo dumisaa
Man, homie ain't bugging outside tonight, dog. Yeah, he gonna feel this one, dog. Oh, fuck.
waka gurigiis sidaas soo dumis ilaa isagii uu ku daayay yaa kuuri gabadheeda qashaqshaad عركين صعب
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Give me a phone! You! You're a dead one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give it!
Green light. Martin Madrazo. Fuck you.
وعن شريعة طاب قوة اللي جدوا ذا بغلتين
Martin?
green light بقلي
Madrazo?